You want your hair to look good but also natural, so you use nothing and actually shows. But the thing is, natural looking hair isn't unstyled hair. Most guys think that products mean crunchy and greasy. That's because they've never used the right ones for what they're going for. And this is what I call the product mismatch. Sounds kind of complicated, but I'll explain in a second. But before we start, click the first link in the description. In under 24 hours, I'll tell you exactly what's holding your looks back with your physique and your fashion, and exactly how to fix it for free. But get it right now before the offer ends. The thing is, I've always was conscious about how my hair looked since fucking elementary school. I just wanted to try shit out. And for years, I remember at that point, I used to have the same Ronaldo cut that everyone in my class had. And I was like, you know what? Why don't I try something else instead of having the same fucking haircut over and over again? So I tried the TikTok boy haircut. This hairdresser that lives next to me. I showed her my hair, told her like, this is what I want to do. And she looked at me, she was like, fuck no, that's not gonna work for you. But I was like, fuck do you know? Like you're the style, the fuck do you know, bro? I'll make this happen anyway. And guess what? I let it grow out and it looked like fucking shit. She was right. Then I remember I went to this barber that I usually used to go to. He told me, why don't you just buzz it off? I was like, it's been a while, fuck it. Boom. And it looked even fucking worse. So disappointed. I was like, fuck, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? But I was like, the only thing I can do now is just let it grow out. Boom. A few months later, started noticing how much better my hair looked. Like exactly how I wanted it to look. I achieved this haircut that I really wanted, but then I reached a certain age of 21, like I am right now basically. And I was like, you know what? That's enough of that. I gotta switch to a different haircut. And the thing is, with the previous haircut, the broccoli haircut, I have never styled it. I just came out of a shower, play with it a little bit, use like a diffuser, and that's it. Never used any products, nothing, for years. And then I was like, you know what? Let me just do like a slick back, like what I have right now basically. And it looked like absolute trash. I tried it for a few days. I tried styling it a little bit, like styling it basically with my hair, with my hands, and it looked terrible. I don't know why I even went out with that haircut, but it got me so paranoid about how I looked that I stopped trying that specific hairstyle. So I went back to the other one. So then I thought I lost like all hope, and I was left with that same haircut for the rest of my life. And actually, I have a friend who used to be a barber for 2 years. He told me, why don't you do this and this and just try it out? I was like, bro, it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work. He literally had to convince me for an entire hour. And I remember I was like, you know what, fuck it, why not? Try it out. He looked 100 times better than I expected. Just because I put a little bit of effort into the styling instead of just using my hands like that and that's it. No styling, no nothing. I now made it work and it now looks like this, which is 100 times better than what it used to look like before with like the, the dream flow type of haircut, like the European flow, whatever you want to call it. I didn't have that before. So what the fuck did I actually do? What's the change that I made to get this haircut that I have today? The first thing I did is I added some oil. So instead of, leaving my hair to dry, and because the problem with my hair is that it has too much volume. Most people are struggling with having flat hair. I have the exact opposite. It's just too much volume. It stands up like this, like crazy. And I was like, let me just try that out. Put a few drops, boom, 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 in my hair. And then when it dries, it gives that a bit of flatter, wet look, but not flat to the point where it's like greasy or looks ugly. And boom, I fixed that problem. And I also had like a huge part of the hair here, which was folding up in a weird way. That also got fixed. Another thing is that I really wanted it to look natural, but I didn't want to use any products. Even though I tried using products and it made me look like I had like so much shit in my hair, like gels and everything, but I actually did, which made my hair look much better without me using many products. And the right product actually, it's sea salt spray. So especially if you have like fine hair like me, sea salt spray is the best thing you can have, because right now I have sea salt spray in my hair and it stands up in like a nice, really cool way. Like, when you get out of the beach and you just have like a bit of salt, a fuck ton of salt basically in your hair, and you slick it back and everything, but getting that strong hold, but it looks kind of nice at the same time. Boom. That's what we're going for. But of course, not like getting your hair drenched. I'm talking about getting it damp with sea salt spray. And of course, if you want to add a bit more hold, there's like wind and all that shit, you add a bit of powder. Like there's those powders that you add on top of your hair, play with your hair a little bit, and then boom. So this just goes to show that you can actually style your hair and look natural. You don't have to, add pomades or gels or some shit to make it look like it's weird or you're trying hard. You can literally use a bit of sea salt spray, a bit of argan oil, which is literally a fantastic oil for your hair, for your scalp. Now you look fire as fuck, natural, without trying hard, without spending a fortune on products. Now the second thing that girls notice that actually takes up 70% of your appearance is your fit. So watch this video right here to enhance it and stop wasting time, my G.